Hi friends, this video shows how to fix LED light of microscope is not working issue. So this is a LED light of microscope. Here you can see switch. Here you can see one knob which we can use to adjust the brightness. So first let me open this. Just remove this screw. Okay, then open. So inside you can see one battery. First we have to ensure that battery has charge. If batteries don't have charge, then you have to replace the battery. Then ensure that all these cables are connected. If cables are broken, then you have to connect these wires. So you have to ensure that all these wires are connected. Okay, so let me change this battery. Okay, done. So let me test it. See, it's working. So this way we can fix this issue. Light is not working. After that we can put all these things inside. Then we can close it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.